Hello and welcome to HP Calcs. Rick here, and we're just going to have a quick look at the Casio fx-260 Solar 2 calculator and how to do decimal degrees to DMS or degrees minutes seconds and convert back again. You know, this is really handy when you're doing things like trigonometry or just want to convert between decimal degrees and DMS. So to do this, we'll be using this key right here, which is the degree minute seconds key, located right here in the top left of your keypad. And yeah, it's really basic. So an example would be if we had, say, 45 degrees, 30 minutes, 0 seconds, and wanted to convert this to decimal degrees, we would enter the degrees on first, 45, and then just press this key here, the degrees minute seconds key. And you can see the degree symbol appear in the top right corner there. Lets us know that this is a degree. Then for the minutes, place 30 minutes on the screen there. Press that key again. Now it'll still be the degree symbol, but as long as it's after the first set of numbers, this will be minutes. And then we'll place our seconds on there. It's just 0 on this one, so we don't have to enter that number, but we will just for the example. Now, to convert this to decimal degrees, we press the Shift degree minutes seconds key, and it converts to 45.5 degrees, which we know is correct because half a degree is 30 minutes. We can shift back again by doing the same key combination. What if we were given 45.5 decimal degrees and wanted to find this in degrees minutes seconds? Well, to do that, we enter 45.5 and then press the Shift degree minutes seconds key. And you can see it converts for us to 45 degrees, 30 minutes, 0 seconds. You can try one more example, this time with a number in the second slot. So let's say we had 270.555 decimal degrees. We enter it as the decimal on there, 0.555, and then Shift convert, and you can see this equals 270 degrees, 33 minutes, 18 seconds for us. And if we had that degrees minutes seconds and wanted to convert to decimal degrees, we would just enter it on the screen. Degrees, 33 minutes, and then 18 seconds. You don't need to press this key for the seconds. And then Shift degree minute seconds key, and there it is. It's converted to 270 degrees, 0.555 for us. All right, hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.